Come on, Stephen. Come on. What are you doing there? Some cheese for you, look. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, some cheese. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. Nice. Go on. You like cheese, don't you? Even though you're a seagull and you're supposed to be catching fish. Yet you live here, on our roof, eating our leftovers. And you like cheese, don't you? Yeah. And you like chicken, and you like bread. You like anything, don't you? There you go. Eat up. Yeah. You get well fed here, don't you? Where are you going now? You had enough? You had enough? What are you looking for? Come on. Come on, Stephen. Where are you going? You got something better to do, have you? You got somewhere better to go? Alright then, I'll see you in a bit then. See you later. Bye.